Hello everyone, welcome back to Leo and Lila.
Today, we will learn English very simply and easily.
Don't worry, just relax and have fun while learning.
That's right. Learning English should be enjoyable.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Lila.
Today, love is in the air.
Oh, really?
Yes. Today, we are talking about...
First dates.
Ooh.
Dating in a foreign language?
It is terrifying.
It is. You have to be charming, funny, and speak correct grammar, all at the same time.
My palms are sweating just thinking about it.
Don't worry, Leo. We will teach everyone how to survive a first date.
We will cover...
Asking someone out?
Compliments. Good ones versus creepy ones.
Conversation starters. What to talk about?
The bill. Who pays?
And ending the date. Kiss? Hug? Handshake?
And of course, Leo has a tragic story.
Please no.
The story where you forgot the girl's name.
I didn't forget it. I just substituted it.
You called her by your cat's name.
It was a moment of panic.
We will hear the full muffin story in part 4. First, a question for the viewers.
What is your ideal first date?
Dinner and a movie? A walk in the park? Coffee?
Write in the comments. My ideal date is...
Also, tell us if you have ever dated a foreigner.
Don't forget to like this video.
Let's find love.
First step, asking someone out.
You can't just say, you, me, date, now.
No, that is scary. Be polite.
Phrase 1. Would you like to get coffee sometime?
This is low pressure. Coffee is safe.
Phrase 2. Are you free this weekend?
Phrase 3. I was wondering if you'd like to have dinner with me.
I was wondering. Very smooth.
Now imagine you are on the date. You meet.
You need a compliment.
But be careful. Don't be too aggressive.
Good compliments. You look great. Or you look lovely.
Or be specific. I like your dress. I like your shirt.
Bad compliments. You look hot.
Ooh, yeah. Save that for later or never.
Or you look better than your photos.
No. That is an insult. It means you look ugly in your photos.
Exactly. Don't say that.
Also, don't focus only on appearance. Compliment their personality.
You are easy to talk to.
You have a great laugh.
You are very funny.
These are the best compliments.
Now let's practice greetings.
I am waiting at the restaurant. You arrive.
Hi, Leo. Sorry I'm a bit late.
Smiling. No problem at all. You look stunning, Lila.
Blushing. Aw, thank you. You look handsome too.
Fixing hair. I tried. Shall we sit? Perfect. See? Simple and polite.
Stunning means very, very beautiful.
It is a strong word. Use it if you really mean it.
If she looks just okay, say, you look nice.
But say it with energy. You look nice.
Now the hard part, conversation.
Silence is awkward. You need to talk.
But what do we talk about?
Use the F.O.R.D method.
Ford like the car?
No, F.O.R.D.
F equals family.
Do you have any siblings? Where did you grow up?
O equals occupation, work.
What do you do? Do you like your job?
R equals recreation, hobbies.
What do you do for fun? Do you like travel?
D equals dreams.
What is your dream holiday? What do you want to do in the future?
This is a great list.
But there are also taboo topics, things not to talk about.
Number 1, ex-partners.
Never talk about your ex on a first date.
Oh, you drink coffee? My ex-girlfriend loved coffee. She was crazy.
Immediate red flag. Stop.
Number 2, money.
How much money do you make? Rude.
Is your rent expensive? Rude.
Number 3, politics and religion.
Unless you want to fight, maybe save this for date number 3.
Also, don't make it an interview.
Question 1, where do you live? Question 2, do you like cats? Question 3, can you cook?
That is not a date. That is an interrogation.
You must listen and respond.
Really? That's interesting. Tell me more.
No way, me too.
I totally agree.
Show interest. Look in their eyes. Put your phone away.
Yes, phone away, face down, or in your pocket.
If you check Instagram on a date, you are finished.
Game over. Okay, it is time for the awkward story.
The muffin incident.
Tell us everything.
Okay. I was on a date with a girl named Sarah.
Sarah, simple name, easy to remember.
Yes. She was very beautiful. I was very nervous.
Classic Leo.
We were having a romantic dinner. Candlelight, music.
Nice.
I wanted to say something romantic.
Okay.
But earlier that day, I was playing with my cat,
Your cat's name is
Muffin.
Muffin. Okay.
I love my cat. I talk to her all day. I love you, Muffin. You're so cute, Muffin.
I see where this is going.
So on the date, I looked into Sarah's eyes.
Deeply.
I held her hand.
Romantically.
And I said, "You have the most beautiful eyes, Muffin."
No.
Yes!
What did she do?
She froze. She pulled her hand away.
Did she say anything?
She said, "Who is Muffin?"
No. She thought it was another girl.
I panicked. I yelled, "It's my cat! You look like my cat!"
You told her she looks like a cat?
I meant she is cute like the cat. But it sounded wrong.
You look like my cat Muffin. Best compliment ever.
She stood up. She said, "I am leaving."
And she left?
She left me alone with the spaghetti.
Did you finish the spaghetti?
Of course, I was sad and hungry.
Poor Leo and poor Sarah.
So, never call your date by your pet's name.
And maybe don't say they look like an animal.
Unless it's a sexy tiger.
No, just stick to you look beautiful.
Good advice.
Okay, let's assume you didn't call her Muffin. Now the date is ending.
The waiter brings the bill or the check.
This is the moment of panic. Who pays?
In traditional etiquette, the person who invited pays.
But in modern times, many people split the bill.
There is a great idiom for this. Go Dutch.
Let's go Dutch. It means 50-50.
Or you can say, let's split it.
If you want to pay, be firm.
Say, it's on me.
No, really, I've got this.
If the other person insists, you can say, you can get the next one.
That implies there will be a second date. Smooth.
Now, saying goodbye.
If the date was bad, like with Muffin Man Leo,
Just say, thank you for dinner. Have a good night.
shake hands?
Maybe a polite nod and run away.
If the date was good,
Say, I had a great time.
we should do this again.
And look for the signal.
If they smile and lean in, maybe a hug or a kiss on the cheek,
Read the body language. Don't force it.
and then send a text later.
Say, I had a lovely time tonight. Hope to see you soon.
Don't wait 3 days. That is an old rule. Text the same night or next morning.
It shows you care.
Okay, let's review.
Asking out. Would you like to get coffee?
Compliments. You look stunning. Not you look hot.
Conversation. F.O.R.D. family, occupation, recreation, dreams.
Taboos, ex-partners, politics, calling them muffin.
The bill? Let's go Dutch. Or it's on me.
Ending, I had a great time.
Now, viewers, your homework.
Write a compliment in the comments.
Practice complimenting us.
Leo, you look like a human, not a cat.
Be nice.
And tell us, what is your worst date story?
We shared ours, now you share yours.
Did you spell wine? Did you fall down?
Did you forget their name?
Don't be shy.
Also, don't forget to like and subscribe.
We make new videos every day.
Good luck with your dating.
Find your muffin.
Stop it.
Bye.
Bye.